corner right there for you. There's gotta be a fish in there. That corner pocket, dude, looks incredible. Yeah. I'm gonna cast on these trees up here. Oh, is it a log? I saw something brown. I didn't. There's a fish. Yeah, that's a good bass to start out. Dude. Not a bad start. He was in the middle.
Dude, that's a good one.
Caught our first fish at this new spot here, the secret spot. Look at that chunky spot there. I was slow rolling that spinnerbait through there. It's probably about a 12-incher. Beautiful fish. Look at those red eyes. We'll go ahead and send him. He was in the middle. They're on these deep rocks. I was the same way. I went fishing with Creek Fishing Adventure dude, John. I don't know if you watch his channel. He's a good Christian guy. Creek Fishing Adventures.
Oh, okay.
I went fishing with him, and I was throwing a crankbait. He was throwing a spinnerbait, and he had this. It had a red face on it. Craziest looking spinnerbait ever. Dude, he was wearing them out. I was like, what the heck? Then after that, I started swapping up, and sure enough, man, these little creeks like that and rivers fishing it, you can wear them out on spinnerbait. I love them. Oh, I just got bit. He's on there now. But I love using them around the shoals and rapids because they don't get hung up easy. And I like just slowly rolling them through there, and they do so good. Nice, man. That's a good one. There you go, baby. A little spinnerbait action.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Some of the pictures I've seen, some. Yeah. The Thursday back in Russellville, I got my college buddies having a poker game.
Yeah.
So, you know, we were going fishing today, and I was like, well, I'm already kind of in that area. I'm just gonna swing by that poker game, hang out with them, play some poker.
Yeah.
That's why I was getting home late. I knew it was gonna be late.
There's one.
Yes.
Oh, that's a nice one. If I can keep them on. That's a chunk right there. Dude, watch in front of you. This guy gave himself up. I was casting by these rocks and I saw the swirl. I was like, oh. And I cast it right over there, and that was him. It's a pretty, he's getting close to 2. He's probably a little shy. Man, he wasn't getting, I was worried I was gonna lose him. He is pinned. There we go. Jade's jig. Just tossed it under the shade tree. I was telling Cameron that I saw him swirl, and he smoked that jig. It's probably a 16. Beautiful fish. We'll let him go. Yeah, he's found some cool stuff. There's a fish. He's on, I think. He's a little guy. Is he still on? I can't tell. Oh, yeah. Massive one. Little green sunfish. They're not an umbrella form, it's like a flat thing clip. And it wouldn't be bad, I'm just afraid it might get in the way like it should. Oh, there's another one. Sunfish. They're loaded right there in that brush pile. We can come down here and do a catch and cook with all these things. Have you ever had one?
Yeah, I have before. It's been like 15 years.
They taste pretty good. They don't, which any brim, bluegill, sunfish tastes alright, but they're not too bad. I need to extend my strap here just a second.
Oh, dude, that's cool.
Yeah, Shoalie's thought of everything.
Yeah.
Money, man.
Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up.
Oh,
Hang on.
my bad. I was looking for snakes.
You're
Thanks,
good.
brother.
You're good.
I do this all the time. I should just take it down.
Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere over here.
Try to ease our way in, that way we don't spook anything. You see that next hole, bro? I mean,
Oh yeah, so I
Dude.
I think I was overlooking the curve there.
dude, yeah, it all looks good. Fish. Aw, there's a little baby. Fish on. There's a bunch of these over here. I've missed about 3 of them. Little guys. This bait got popped twice before he even got on there. I don't know if it was him or a wolf pack. Oh God. Forgot about that rock. I looked at him and filmed it. I forgot about it.
Oh man.
Woo, that was a workout. Cameron and I, we had an awesome time exploring a awesome area. The potential of this section, 4 to 5 mile section, I mean, it's great. We only explored maybe a quarter of a mile, maybe a hole or two, and we explored it like midday. Not the ideal time of day to explore it. I had some things happen this morning, so it put me behind schedule. Thanks, Cameron, for your patience and all that. But anyways, it was an amazing area. There's no like boat ramps or easy put-in spots for it, so it weeds out a lot of people, if any. And so I bet there's some big ones in there. So we're gonna try to plan another day to go back and explore the whole section versus that small segment that you saw today in the video. But anyways, this Malone kayak cart is a game changer. This thing with the huge wheels, I got this from H24 Outdoors. If I didn't have this today, it'd been a huge challenge. Thank goodness it pulled so easy with this. Even up that hill I was panting, you saw on the clip there, it was a workout. But man, if I didn't have this high terrain kayak cart, it'd been a nightmare. So anyways, I'll put the link in the description below, but I got this from H24 Outdoors. Huge game changer for me today and make it a lot easier going up and down that hiking trail. So, and we did some hiking today. It was a total body workout. We got an upper body and a lower body workout and caught some fish. It was an awesome time. So thanks for watching. Sorry we're all over the place, but we'll get back on track here soon. If you notice, I'm in a rental. I had a truck accident. It was 100% their fault, but I'm Yeah, so I'm without my truck. It's just a hot mess right now. But anyways, we'll get our life straightened out here soon. Thanks for sticking with me and staying tuned. And I'll catch you on the next video.